To download Crackify TV in Android TV. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to download Crackify TV in Android TV. So in order to download the Crackify in your TV, all you have to do is simply open your Android TV home screen and navigate to the Google Play Store and search for the install and downloader app. You need to get the downloader app in order to download the Crackify in your smart TV. And after that, you need to enable unknown sources, and after that, you need to enable unknown sources. And after that, you need to enable unknown sources to get your Android TV settings. And then just simply navigate to the device preferences, security, and registration. Click on the enable sources and enable it for downloader app. And then download and install the Crackify TV and open the downloader app again. And in the search bar, type the URL for the Crackify TV APK file and click on Go. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the APK file. And once the installation is complete, you can find and open Crackify TV in your list of apps. And yeah, that's how you do it.